In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to answer in Google Drive. Whether you're collaborating on a document, spreadsheet, or presentation, managing comments efficiently is essential. Let's dive into the steps to make that happen. First, head over to drive.google.com. Log into your Google account if you aren't automatically directed there. Once you're in, open the document, spreadsheet, or presentation that contains the comment you want to respond to. You can usually find your file by typing in a few keywords in the search bar at the top of the page. Now, look around your document for any highlighted text or small comment icons, which indicate that a comment has been left. These indicators will point you directly to the content that someone wants you to address. Once you've located the comment, you'll need to click on it. This action will open up the comment box, where you can see the original comment, as well as any responses that may already be there. Reading through any existing dialogue can provide valuable context, allowing you to understand the conversation and tailor your response appropriately. Now, it's time to type your response in the comment box. Remember to keep your answer clear and concise. If the comment is requesting an action or explanation, aim to address it thoroughly to avoid any confusion. Once you're satisfied with your reply, you can either press enter on your keyboard or click the reply button to send it. This ensures that everyone involved can see your response and continue the conversation if needed. It's worth noting that when you press enter, your message becomes visible to everyone who has access to the document, so make sure that it's ready to go before hitting send. If you find that the issue raised in the comment box has been dealt with completely, you have the option to close the thread by clicking the resolve button. This is a great way to keep things tidy and organized, ensuring that the document only contains active conversations. Don't worry if you need to revisit a resolved comment. You can do this by clicking the comments icon found in the top right corner of the document interface. From there, simply select resolved to browse through all the comments you've already attended to. This feature can be particularly useful when you want to review your actions or check how decisions were made over time. That's it for today's tutorial. By following these steps, you'll be able to manage and reply to comments effectively in Google Drive, ensuring smooth and productive collaboration with your colleagues. Thanks for watching, and happy commenting.